Hello friends, very most welcome to all of you in this our online lecture series. Friends, today in this lecture we will discuss the very most important topic, mu space. So we will continue and we will see here all concept about of mu space. Here we can write by the symbol mu space. To complete realization of mu space, here we are assuming system, and this system is consist by one molecule of gas, and also we are assuming this system is monoatomic. It is our all imagination about of this system. If we want to find out state of this system, then we will require position and momentum. How, or we can say why we will require position and momentum? Since we know that the molecules of gases always is in motion, so it will possess some velocity also, and if it will possess some velocity, then it will possess momentum also. So friends, here to specify the state of this system completely, we will require a position as well as momentum also. Here we can write also to specify completely the state of system, we will require position and momentum. How we can find out position and momentum? We can find out position and momentum of atom of this system. As we have told you, this system is monoatomic. It will have single atom. So to find out the position and momentum, here we will use position space and momentum space, or by the use of position space and momentum space, we can find out position and momentum of any particle or of this single atom. What are the coordinates of position and momentum space? The coordinates of position space is rectangular coordinates, we can say x, y, z, and coordinates of momentum space is px, py, pz. So friends, here we can write also, we can find out position of an atom by the coordinate x, y, z, and momentum in momentum space by the coordinate px, py, pz. So friends, to specify completely the state of this system, we will possess these 6 coordinates: x, y, z, 3 position coordinate and 3 momentum coordinate. So here we can write also to specify the state of system, we will possess 3 position coordinate, 3 position plus 3 momentum. we will possess this 6 coordinate. What will be the 3 position coordinate? X, Y, Z, and 3 momentum coordinate will be Px, Py, Pz. So we will possess total number of coordinates to specify the state of this system, which contains only one molecules or we can say only one atom. Here we will have X, Y, Z, Px, Py, Pz. These 6 coordinates. Now friends, these 6 coordinates cover some space also, and this set of infinite 6 coordinates, the covered space is known as phase space. So we can write this result also, this concept: space covered by 6 coordinate, space covered by this 6 coordinate, or we can say infinite set of 6 coordinate is known as phase space. Now friends, here we can write the definition of phase space also. Here, by the phase space representation, we will see the definition of mu space also in upcoming steps. But here we want to repeat, we have assumed any system, and this system contains one molecules and it is also monoatomic, and we have find out the infinite set of 6 coordinates for this system, and this infinite set of 6 coordinate covered some space, and this space is known as phase space. Here also we can say very most important concept. By this concept, since we know that energy may be represented in the form of momentum, so what will be the formula? Formula is energy is equal to P square by 2m, and here P is linear momentum. So we can say energy may be represented in the form of momentum. Now friends, here at the place of momentum we can write momentum coordinates also. We can write also Px square plus Py square plus Pz square by 2m. We can write it also. From this result, from this concept, we can say very easily, we can find out energy of state also. How we can find out energy of state also? By the momentum space representation of particle we can find out, or of system we can represent the energy of state also. Here remember please, space covered by infinite set of 6 coordinate is known as phase space only in the case of monoatomic system. Here also we can write here known as phase space for monoatomic system. Now here also we can represent by the momentum space representation. By the momentum space representation, we can represent energy of state also. It is also very most important concept. We can find out from this result, from this formula. Friends, here we want to discuss the mu space. We can write very easily, we can understand very easily the definition of mu space. As we have told you, we can specify completely the state of system. Here system we have considered. If we want to specify completely the state of system, we will require 6 coordinates. And infinite set of these 6 coordinates is known as phase space. Friends, here if we will talk about of definition of mu space, then we can realize it very easily. This 6-dimensional space for single particle is known as molecular phase space or mu space. Here we can write such 6-dimensional space for single particle, or we can write here single atom, as in my example we have considered single atom. So for a single particle or atom we can write here, for a single particle also is known as molecular phase space. Molecular phase space or mu space I hope all concept about of mu space has been clear to all of you. So friends, today we will stop here and we will come with my next upcoming important lecture. Thank you very much.